guys, what's up?
And my step cousin Jill, and welcome back to another video.
Hey, let's do this. Yeah.
Today we will be jumping with some slime. Yeah. So Jill's gonna film me.
Okay. Okay, so let's do this.
Boom.
Here's the slime.
Get closer to me, Jill. Like sit down.
I know how to do it. YouTube thing.
Okay. Here's the slime.
Dun dun dun. It's beautiful.
No, I agree
We
with
can
it.
touch it. And so yeah, we're gonna jump with it today. So let's
No,
get
film
to
it still.
Just kidding. Okay, so we're gonna be jumping.
It's not very
Firm.
firm.
So we're gonna be jumping with it to make it more firm. Dun dun dun.
But we're gonna keep it on the container.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yeah. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, you can start jumping with it. I'll be filming over here by myself, all alone. Okay, let's do it. Okay,
So I
I'll
have
be
the
jumping
slime
too.
here.
I'll be jumping too.
I have this
Just
one
kidding.
here. And I'm jumping with it.
With a
Jumping
bowl.
with the slime.
Now, like, throw it on the ground.
Jumping with it.
Oh yeah, throw it on the ground. Oh, why is it so slippery?
Yeah, because you threw the grape container.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Wait, guys.
Yeah, sorry about that.
can
If
film me
you
yet.
didn't see her, I'm not good at directing the camera, so. What? Oh, your foot? Hold on 1 second. You okay? Yeah, sure. Let's get back to it. Oh, I should do a front flip with you guys. Okay, this is gonna be weird.
I'm still half the slime, by the way.
Okay, stop jumping, Emily. I'm gonna do front flip with you guys. So you guys better front flip too. So, how many likes should we get? Let's get 1,000 likes if we can do that. Okay, let's do it. Ready? Ready? 1,
2,
2, 3, go. That was cool. I'm gonna do it again. One more time. 1,000 likes. Ready? 1, 2. Oh my God! Ah. We're all gonna front flip on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, let's get back to jumping. So, Emily, you can film me jumping with slime.
Now I'm gonna film Jill jumping with slime.
Boing! You're getting the phone down, Emily. Film me, bro.
So Jill's.
Oh, this is how I feel right now. Woo! Maybe a backflip. I'm not gonna get a backflip yet.
No, Jill, film me.
Okay.
No, Jill's gonna film me.
Okay. Oh, did you see me? That was an epic fail. So we're gonna end this video and we're gonna do a part 2.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna do part 2. Yeah, because we need to eat pretty soon. So why did I say that? That was so rude. Okay. So yeah, see you later. Bye.